Hey guys, welcome back. I ended up with an odd number of wings, or feathers I should say, to make wings. And so what we're going to do is we're just kind of flying by the seat of our pants here, as they say. We're going to make a little angel who's going to be flying sideways so that I can use those. Now what I'm doing, I found some yellow embroidery floss, and I'm going to use this to make a little wisp of hair. So let me now she's going to be flying sideways, so I just cut out a little dress. I'm going to glue on a little head. This is talking about basic crafting. That's what we're doing right now. Very basic. Very simple. The kids could do it, that kind of thing. Okay, so we want that hair. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. I just want to get it on there because we're going to work on some other things too. Okay, we're going to put some of it up toward the front. Okay, so as long as we have the hair on there, we'll deal with that later because we want to work on our dress, okay? And I found some of this gathered lace. It's going to work best for this because we're just going to start layering it. We're going to start at the bottom like this. And so let me cut a little piece of lace. We're just going to run a bead of glue. And put the lace on. Does not have to be perfect at this stage. And we're going to do it again. So let's measure out another piece. We're all going to keep it layered too, so it's always going to hide what's below it. I want it full, so I'm going to make them very tight. You can see there's not much room there. Let's cut it. Now once you get all the lace on, then you can start trimming it up, or you can just fold it over and glue it to the back. I think I'll do that so I don't have any raw edges. So literally just put a very light touch there with the glue and fold it over and just hold it till it grabs. Okay. We're just going to keep going. And what you could do is cut it twice as long as you need. That way it would cover the entire back. But again, we're just flying by the seat of our pants here. Wanting to use up that other little wing, and I thought I'd just bring you along with me on the creative process. Alright, so up here, see that little piece there? I just want to fold that over. Alright, same thing on this side. Very light little bit of glue. And fold it over. Working our way down. And then just fold it over. Alright, so now when we turn it over, it looks very clean. Okay, and what I'm going to do, see, we want the hair coming from the forehead and just pushed back. I think what I'm going to do is just I was sitting here debating on tying it off back there or just gluing it down back there. Because what we're going to do up here is put some pearls around it, kind of like we did the halo with the other angels that I've made. So I think we might just put a little glue back there just so that when it's in storage, you know, that doesn't get all knotted and messy. So just put a little glue down and then just tack it. You could, if you wanted to be very cute with it, you know, tie it, put a bow, whatever you wanted to do. Okay, but for what we want, that's plenty. All right, now I'm going to grab some pearls. We're going to use gold since we are making a halo. And that should be just about right. And we're going to put just a little dab of glue there. Not much. Just enough to hold that pearl. Then we're going to come to the back and secure it. So I'm going to put the glue on the little pearl and wrap it around. And we'll hold that for a moment. Okay, and the same over here. We're just going to put a little dab of glue right there on that last pearl. And pull it in and hold it till it's secured. Okay, so now you can kind of see she's coming together. Alright, and what we want to do now is, because I have some glue there at that neckline where we put the last little row of lace, I'm going to go ahead and cut a few pearls just to go there. We'll use white for that. And let's see if we can find, they're all about the same size, I think. So we'll just grab some. And right here, we're just going to put it the tiniest little bit of glue. Get as little as you can possibly get. Okay, and then just lay your pearls in. Okay, I kind of like the little angel so far, guys. I may have to make some more. She's kind of cute, even if she is two-dimensional instead of three. Okay. I just know that in the future I would want to bring that lace all the way in, but we're going to leave her as is. We're going to use this last little set of wings that I had, or half set of wings, I should say. We're not going to let them go to waste. We're going to put them on her, and actually We may use these instead. Let me just let that grab. There we go. Not too bad to just use up, huh? She's kind of cute. Again, I really like her. I may have to cut some of these out, and that way I can also use my gathered lace that I was having a hard time finding a project for. And I think she turned out really cute. I'll just know on the next one to go ahead and enclose everything. I may maybe put a full layer of glitter or something back here just to kind of, you know, disguise the not so pretty parts. They won't show, of course, if she's hanging on a tree, but still, that's just me. I like to finish things. But I think she's adorable. So I did want to share it with you and just take you through the creative process on how you can use up little things. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.